Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be using my exfoliating coffee scrub today. Welcome to 4B Curly Me. I recently posted a video on how I made my exfoliating coffee rub, so take a look at that video. I will post it below and at the end of this video. This coffee scrub will stimulate hair growth because of the caffeine that's in it. Even decaf coffee has a small percentage of caffeine. So caffeine is a white powder that is naturally occurring, and it's a stimulant that is super excellent for penetrating the hair follicles and also stimulating them. The good thing that I like about coffee and caffeine is that it adds a natural sheen and it slows down any hair loss that you might be having, and it speeds up hair growth with follicle stimulation, which is what you see me doing here. So this is why I really want to use this at least twice a month. I'm going to go ahead and continue doing this side of my hair and then the other side. So now I've already washed it out and my hair is super soft, and look at how my curls are just popping and my hair is super shiny and it's so soft. I want you guys to try this. Look at my other video, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!